Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best CPAP cleaner is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked aspects of CPAP therapy. Failing to clean your CPAP machine regularly can lead to a buildup of bacteria, germs, and other pathogens, which can cause serious health problems, including respiratory infections and other complications. This video will review the best CPAP cleaner on the market, helping you choose the right one to keep your CPAP machine clean and your sleep healthy. Number 5. Universal CPAP Tubing. It fits all major CPAP machines and masks. The standard 22mm connectors ensure a secure and compatible connection. It's compatible with iSonic, ResMed, DeVilbiss, Fisher & Paykel, and more. It's the perfect replacement for your old tubing. This premium hose is made with medical-grade plastics right here in the USA. Enjoy the smooth, comfortable design. Its flexibility lets you move around freely without causing leaks. Get a good night's sleep without interruption. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace it every 3 months. Available in 6, 8, and 10-foot lengths. This tubing is designed for easy use and compatibility with your CPAP machine. Enjoy comfortable and effective sleep therapy. What we like. It fits all CPAP masks and machines, is compatible with all major brands, and is made with high-quality materials in the USA. If you need a reliable and widely compatible CPAP hose, this is the one for you. Its universal design ensures a perfect fit, no matter your machine or mask. This is a great option for users who prioritize quality and compatibility. What people say. I had the expensive heated hose, but I was really looking for something more reasonable. I didn't think this would work properly because it was a fraction of the cost, but it is absolutely perfect with my ResMed AirSense 10. Perfect replacement for ResMed 10. Heavier than supplies provided by medical company. It's not super cheap plastic, but it's a cheaper plastic. That being said, it is working well and fit her machine. Number 4. iSonic P4821-CPAP Cleaner. This small but mighty cleaner is perfect for keeping your CPAP mask and hose fresh and hygienic. It's designed for thorough cleaning, unlike other methods. It uses ultrasonic waves to create millions of tiny bubbles that reach deep into every crevice, removing debris and ensuring a truly clean result. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt. These imploding bubbles dislodge dirt and grime from your CPAP equipment, leaving it sparkling clean and ready for use. It's a powerful yet gentle cleaning process. With a powerful 60W ultrasonic transducer, it tackles even the toughest dirt. It's designed for North American outlets, 110V. Its compact tank, 9.6 by 5.9 by 3 inches, is ideal for cleaning shorter hoses and masks. We offer larger models for longer hoses and larger equipment. For larger masks or longer hoses, consider our larger models, the P4821-CPAP or P4862-CPAP. For taller items, clean them in sections, turning them over halfway through. What we like. This deep cleans your CPAP mask and short hose using powerful ultrasonic waves, unlike other methods that only disinfect the surface. If you're looking for a thorough clean that removes debris from hard-to-reach places, this is the best choice. Its powerful ultrasonic action ensures a deep and effective clean, leaving your equipment fresh and hygienic. This is perfect for those who want a truly clean CPAP machine. What people say. It does an excellent job. Cleans great and easy to use. It only takes 5 minutes per session and leaves my mask and hose smelling fresh. Number 3. CPAP Mask and Tube Hanger Mat. It's time to upgrade your sleep experience. This mat neatly organizes your CPAP equipment, keeping everything within reach and your nightstand clutter-free. Start your day feeling more rested. With your CPAP supplies organized, you'll be more likely to use your machine consistently and enjoy a better night's sleep. It's compatible with all major CPAP brands, keeping your mask and tubing clean and organized. Say goodbye to messy nightstands and hello to a healthier sleep environment. This mat makes using your CPAP machine so much easier. Conveniently hang up your mask when you wake up, preventing it from falling on the floor. Take it with you wherever you go. This portable mat is compatible with all major CPAP brands, including ResMed AirSense and Philips Bilevel. This CPAP mat was thoughtfully designed by respiratory therapists in San Francisco, ensuring it meets the needs of CPAP users like you. What we like. This convenient bedside organizer keeps your CPAP mask and hose tidy and off the floor. If you value convenience and hygiene, this is a must-have. It keeps your CPAP supplies organized and easily accessible, promoting a more comfortable and hygienic sleep environment. This is ideal for users who want a clean and organized bedside setup. What people say. It keeps the hose up off of me and I have a place to hang my mask out of the way during the day. It also has a cover bag that you can cover your mask while hanging. Even more the next morning storing it and keeping the mask and harness up and together. This idea solved the issue for me. It will hold 2 masks and the tube without falling over, bending, or breaking, so the lean has to maybe be from the silicone mat being too flexible. Either way, this is a great mat, and I highly recommend you get it. Number 2. Mars Wellness SoClean 2 Filter Kit. This filter kit is perfectly designed for your SoClean 2 machine, ensuring it runs at its best. It's also great for travel, so you can maintain clean CPAP equipment wherever you go. From Mars Wellness, a trusted name in personal care, this kit is built to high standards. It's slightly larger than standard filters for superior filtration. The kit includes 2 carbon filters, working hard to clean the air passing through your CPAP cleaner. Enjoy cleaner, fresher air with every use. 2 check valves are also included. These are vital for the proper functioning of your SoClean 2, making sure air and water flow correctly. Changing the filter and valves is a breeze, no special tools needed. Keep your SoClean supplies in top condition with this simple kit. And if your machine still prompts you to change the filter, just hold down the hourglass and manual button simultaneously. What we like. This filter kit is specifically designed for the SoClean 2 machine, ensuring optimal performance and ease of use. If you own a SoClean 2 and want to maintain its effectiveness, this is a perfect choice. The filters are easy to replace, and the brand's reputation ensures quality and reliability. This is a great option for those who want to keep their SoClean 2 running smoothly. What people say. This is an aftermarket product that is 1/5 the cost of the manufacturer's product, and it works just fine. Works well, easy to install. Great fit and works wonderful for the cleaner. Number 1. Care Touch CPAP Cleaning Brush. It's essential to keep your CPAP equipment clean. This brush helps remove germs and bacteria from your tube, ensuring a healthier sleep. This innovative brush is designed for effortless cleaning of your CPAP tubing. Its flexible design reaches every corner. The soft bristles are gentle on your CPAP tube, preventing damage while effectively removing dirt and grime. It extends to 7 feet, allowing you to clean your entire CPAP hose easily and thoroughly. No more missed spots. Despite its impressive length, it folds up neatly into a compact bag for easy storage. It's perfect for travel. Cleaning your CPAP tube has never been easier. This brush makes maintaining hygiene simple and efficient. What we like. This brush is designed to gently yet effectively clean your CPAP tube without causing damage. If you need an easy and effective way to clean your CPAP tube, this is the perfect tool. Its flexible design allows for easy cleaning of the entire tube, and it folds up compactly for storage. This is a great option for those who want a convenient and effective way to maintain their CPAP equipment. What people say. This brush works well in helping clean my tubing. I finally feel that I've done a good job. The most important thing to remember is to use the hint many previous reviewers have mentioned, which is to insert the non-brush end through the tubing first. This allows you to pull the brush end through the tubing instead of trying to push the brush through. This makes all the difference and makes the whole process easier. It has soft edges on the brush and will not puncture the tubing, which has an electrical element inside. The entire brush is perfectly made to clean tubing without damaging it. It's long enough to go from end to end. The brush fits snugly into the CPAP tube. With a little bit of effort you can move the brush back and forth to scrub the tube. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.